Hey all, I'm back again on the topic of carpeting, and what I have next to me here is I have 3 cartons. My carpeting came in that I ordered, and I'm going to open the boxes up and see what I got. I'm not quite ready to install it. I have a couple more projects kind of in front of doing the carpet that I need to get done first. I've got some interior parts that I need to get together while things are out. So at this point I'm going to show you what I've got. I'm going to make sure that it all looks good. I went ahead and got Dove Gray carpet. I did choose to order the carpet from ACC, and you have the choice when you order the carpet. You can go to ACC and buy it directly, or you can buy it from another supplier. And I chose a third-party supplier. The one I chose was what are they called? Automotive Interiors. And they had a direct line, in their website, that you ordered ACC carpet through them. Their price was a little better. But more than that, they had a couple of other options that I could get, and the one that I chose was to order some additional carpet, an additional yard of matching carpet that I can use for other things. So let me open this up and I'll show you what I got. So here are my boxes, and we'll start with this one, which is the biggie. Even though I'm not going to put it in right now, I still want to make sure it looks good and is correct. All the boxes are labeled correctly, so I should be good. One of the things when you order the carpet is if you order the standard color, it's returnable. If you order a custom color, it's not. And not that I have any intention of returning it. It's just an interesting difference. Okay, so that looks like the cargo section. And this one looks like that's cargo. This must be passenger. Ah, yes. Very nice. And yep, there I purchased it. It says purchased through authorized dealer, Automotive Interiors and Accessories Inc. So there's the basic set. All looks pretty nice. Got all the padding, all the footwells and everything in. It's got the insulation on the back. Cool. The next piece that I did was, I had a thought about going up to the Essex and getting a better material, but what I chose to do instead was I bought the floor mats, and they make floor mats that match, that are molded to the carpet. So there's a set of 4. At some point, I probably would have wanted floor mats to protect the carpet. So this way, they're Dove Gray. They're a perfect match. Same kind of material, same material. and they're molded to the floor pan. They're custom mats. So I ordered factory thickness carpet and floor mats to make it nicer. Then number 3 is, and so one of the things by going to this, I might have been able to get it from ACC directly. Automotive Interiors had it as a line item to order an additional yard of material, and I can use that a number of places. If I wanted to use it on door panels, I could do that. What I really was thinking, I'm trying to clean up the carpet on a console. The console I have is damaged. It has to come out. I have a couple of new ones in my assortment of used parts that I've purchased that are more intact, but the carpet is soiled, and I don't know whether it's better to clean it, or what I'm considering doing is peeling it off and replacing it. If I spend some time cutting carefully, I think this material would go down both sides of the console, and it would match the carpet better. It would be a good thing. So that's an experiment yet to be tried. I'll have to see how that works out. But in the meantime, it looks good. I got all the pieces. They're all here, and it looks good. So that when I get going here in a few weeks, I ought to be able to have all the parts ready and get it in the car. So it's kind of exciting. I really would like to see this installed, and I really want to get my interior pieces installed. So that's my project status for tonight.